Hi, I'm Jack. My favorite. What's my favorite toy? My favorite one a ball. Is it my train? Is it my car? No. It's my yellow ball. What's my favorite color? You may like it too. Is it green? Is it red? No. It's color blue. What's my favorite animal? It's furry and it's fat. Is it a dog? Is it a goat? No. It's a lovely cat. Jack, age 11. Goodbye.